ChatGPT and how to write a complete review blog post with a positive tone using ChatGPT is what I'm gonna share, so you don't have to enter one prompt at a time and so on. So prompt is like the instruction or commands that you tell ChatGPT down in this box. So let's get started. Here I'm created multiple prompts in advance to save some time, but when you want to enter a new row, don't just click the enter button, because then it will be start working on that first only prompt. But you need to click the shift button and the enter button. The shift button is on the left side, an arrow pointing up, and the other button to the right. It's a big button pointing to the left. So let's go through what I'm put in the prompts here. Write me a review about OptimizePress. It's just an example. You can make a review on any product, of course. Use transition words and active voice when writing. Expand each section so you get some space in the content. Create a table of content and use a positive tone. Actually even enter to get ChatGPT to write a negative review if you want that. And you can put in more prompts like how many words you will write and so on. But when we are done, we just click the green button here. So here's the whole article, title: OptimizePress Review, a powerful and user-friendly website building tools. And here's the table of content and so on. Everything you asked ChatGPT to create. Now you can just copy. Don't copy and paste this text directly into your blog post, because Google and other search engines may notice that you have used a bot, AI bot, and then they will not rank your content. Instead, you need to paraphrase your text. I have done a tutorial on a free bot called the Quillbot, a tutorial about using that when creating blog posts with ChatGPT, and I will leave it as a thumbnail at the end of this video. Now, would you like to know about 7 little known secrets in making money online? Click the link below and grab your free ebook. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.